My name is Lindsey and I'm a child life volunteer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fluffy slime. Slime is an awesome craft for all ages and it's a fun way to get your hands dirty. So let's get into what we need for this craft. Okay, so the great thing about this craft is you only need a couple things. And if you don't have some of these things, linked in the description are some substitutes. For example, if you don't have borax, which is one thing you'll need for this craft, you could use laundry detergent or dish soap instead. So you'll also need some glue, foaming shaving cream, some beads or any type of googly eyes or beads or anything you want to put in your slime once you're done making it, food coloring, and then water and some bowls to mix with. Alright, now that we have all our materials together, we're ready to start making our slime. So the first thing we're going to do is take a big bowl and then mix 1/2 cup of glue. There we go. And then 1/2 cup of shaving cream in this big bowl, and we're just gonna mix it up with a spoon. Should look a little something like this. There we go, mix, mix, mix. And then our next step is to combine 1/2 cup of water, which is already in here, with about a teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon to a full teaspoon of borax powder. And like I said earlier, if you don't have borax powder, you can try putting in a little squirt of laundry detergent or dish soap. And then one tip is sometimes it takes a long time for the borax to completely dissolve in the solution. So what you can do if it's taking too long is throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to speed up the process. Okay, now this is the fun part. We're gonna start by having our dissolved water and borax mixture and just putting about a teaspoon or two in at a time and adding it to your glue and shaving cream mixture. And then you're just gonna start kneading it with your hands till it turns into a nice slimy texture. So like this isn't really what I want, so I'm just gonna keep adding a couple more teaspoons, mixing a little bit more. And then you'll start to feel it all kind of get sticky together. So pour just a little bit in at a time. Let's mix it up a bit. You can see that everything's starting to stick together. Look how sticky that is. See that it's just becoming kind of a big glob. You can see it's really, really sticky and really stretchy. All right, I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this mixture. Pour it right on the slime. There we go. Mix it all in. And then the fun thing about this craft is if you don't like the consistency or you wanna play around with it a little bit, you could add more shaving cream, you could add a little bit more glue, or if you don't like it at all, you could just start over with a different ratio. So let's just keep mixing this. Awesome. Now I'm not too sure I like this, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream. Just squirt it right into the bowl. There we go. All right, now I'm just gonna keep mixing this. So you can see it's really, really slimy and sticky, so maybe this will gross your friends out. All right, so this looks like pretty much what your finished product should be. But again, it's all up to you and what you want to do with your slime. You can be creative. Awesome. Okay, now it's time for my favorite part of this craft. I think this white slime is pretty boring, so I think I want to make it my favorite color, which is pink. So I have some food coloring here, so I'm gonna add a couple drops of that. It's really up to you how much you wanna make it. So you could do pink, blue, yellow, green, or maybe you could even mix colors together to make your own. So I added a couple drops of food coloring in, and let's mix it up. Just be careful not to wear a white shirt, because you might ruin your shirt. All right. Well, this is really red. All right, so I'm just gonna keep mixing this up. Here we go. It's really, really fluffy. You can see it almost looks tie-dyed, so maybe you can make some tie-dye slime. I also read an idea where you can separate your slime into 3 pieces and make unicorn slime. So for that, what you would do is for your first section, you would add some pink food coloring. For the second section, add blue food coloring. And then for the third, add yellow, and that makes a unicorn slime. And then I also read about a dinosaur slime where you could, again, separate into 3 sections and then make 1 section blue, 1 section green, and then maybe another section purple or yellow, or maybe orange. So it's all depending on what you like. All right, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more food coloring. There we go. Just be careful because your hands are gonna get all red like mine, if you use red. All right. Okay, I think this looks great. So one more thing that I'm gonna add are some beads, just for a little something extra for the slime to make it feel even cooler. But you can add whatever you want. You could add glitter, sequins, you could add googly eyes, or you could add beads like I am. So I'm just gonna pour a couple in to my slime. That looks pretty cool. And then I'm just gonna start mixing it in like I've done with everything else. All right, so here's my finished slime. I really, really like it. Some of the beads are falling out, that's okay though. It's really stretchy and really fluffy and really fun to play with. So I think I will definitely be playing with this all day. And I really hope you like this tutorial and that you'll make your own slime. Remember to be creative with the different textures and colors you can use, and this will be a lot of fun.